Hello guys and girls, how are you people? Welcome to iQuanta with another day of daily practice series for IPMAT. And in this series, till yesterday we were discussing arithmetic problems based on two topics, percentages and profit and loss. Before that, we had daily practice series on algebra where we discussed more than 110 questions. Okay, and in this session in arithmetic series we have already discussed 50 questions till now. So if you are not watching these sessions live or even later, then you are missing a big thing. You are missing a big part of your preparation which can boost your preparation and will get you ahead of rest of the competition, because we are not only discussing some amazing concept not before explaining the concept, but we are also discussing multiple solutions, some really good alternate solutions as well. Okay, so we have some regular students here, Suvir and Anita. Good evening, Suvir. Hello, Anita. How are you guys? So, are you guys ready for arithmetic miscellaneous? Today onwards, we are going to practice arithmetic miscellaneous till I don't know how many days. Okay, so get ready. And if you are preparing for IPMAT 2025 and IPMAT 2026, then iQuanta is the place where you can start your preparation, okay, with some amazing faculties and some amazing contents. All right, so let's go to our question number 51 of arithmetic. So this one, okay, let's try. This is our first question. It says Bina incurs 19% loss when she sells a product at 4860 to Shyam, who in turn sells this product to Hari. If Bina would have sold this product to Shyam at purchase price of Hari, she would have obtained 17% profit. Then the profit in rupees made by Shyam is. So try this one. Uh, SVN Sets is saying, sir, I am a student of class 12 and I haven't started with my preparation due to my school. Same after March 26th, last board's exam. Can you suggest me the high weightage chapter? I am ST category student. Okay, so if you are looking for a high weightage topic, you can go for arithmetic. Okay, because this arithmetic have lots of topics but very few concepts. All these topics works on concept of percentages, successive percentage, simple formulas of profit loss, SICI, and average mixture alligation, time, speed, distance. So you can prepare arithmetic if you want to choose one topic, although I will suggest that lots of time are there and you can try to complete your syllabus if you can put 3-4 hours every day. Okay, so this is our first question. This question says Bina incurs 19% loss when she sells a product at 4860 to Shyam, who in turn sells this product to Hari. If Bina would have sold this product to Shyam at the purchase price of Hari or the selling price of Shyam, she would have obtained 17% profit. Then the profit in rupees made by Shyam. Can I say that if we talk about the cost price of Bina, cost price of Bina will be equal to 4860 divided by 19% loss, 1 minus 19 by 100. So we can write it as 81 into 100. So this is 6 times. This is equal to 6,000. So the cost price of Bina is 6,000. Now it says Shyam sells this product to Hari. If Bina would have sold this product to Shyam at the purchase price of Hari, then she would have obtained 17% profit. So cost price of Bina is 6,000. Can I say with 17% profit, okay, SP of Bina would be 6,000 into 117 upon 100. So this will be equal to 0. 17 into 6 is 102. Carry 10, 6 plus 10, 16. So 1, 6. Okay, this should be, let me correct this. So 0, 6 into 7, 42, carry 4, 66 plus 7020. So basically, this 6,000 is, we can say, cost price of Shyam. That means this price is selling price of Shyam. Can we say the profit made by Shyam? So profit by Shyam is equal to 7020 minus 6,000, which is equal to 1020. So that is our answer. Okay. Suvir, it doesn't say how many percent, it says what is the profit value. Okay. Is it enough if I will prep with you on the daily basis for full April? I want to get into IIM Indore. See, SVN sets, basically 27 March onwards, we are starting a crash course. Okay, where we will be having 7 to 8 hours of live classes every day. Okay, and in that time, our YouTube session will not be happening. Okay. So if you want to prepare in lesser time, this crash course is for you and you can enroll it now. अभी इनरोल करने पे जो ईयर लॉन्ग बैच में जो भी लाइव क्लासेस हुई हैं वो आपको रिकॉर्डेड फॉर्मेट में मिल जाएंगी, अदर देन ऑल द मॉक्स एंड अदर कंटेंट्स. 27 मार्च से तो क्लासेस होंगे ही होंगे. माही नहीं, यहाँ पे कह रहा है, वेट ए सेकेंड, ये क्या कह रहा है? अच्छा, ओके ओके, यस यस यस, माय बैड. श्याम का जो कॉस्ट प्राइस है वो तो 4890 है ना. यस, सो दिस विल बी 4890. यस, दिस इज 30 and 69, so 2130, right? It will be 2130. Thank you for pointing this out. 2130, that is our answer. Thank you माही. ये ना 4960 है या 90 है? 4960 है. So 49 में बातों में रह गया, 4860. So this will be 60 and 21. So 2160. That's the answer, right? Yes. Okay. Okay. Anita, for all of these kind of non-academic details, please join our IPMAT group. Go to our website and go to IPMAT page. You will find the group, WhatsApp group as well as Facebook group, and you can ask these questions there. Okay. सुवीर प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज इतना ही आया था, चलो बढ़िया. So question number 52, it says after 2 successive increments, Gopal's salary became 187.5% of his initial salary if the percentage of salary increase in the second increment was twice that in the first increment, then the percentage of salary increase in the first increment was. So we have two increment. One increment is X percent and other is 2X%. And what's the overall change? So it became 187.5%, means total change is 87.5%. Can I say successive of these two will be 87.5? So in that case, this will be x plus 2x square upon 100 is equal to 87.5. So from there, we can say 3x plus, or we can write it as 300x plus 2x square is equal to 8750, right? So from there, I can write it as 2x square plus 300x minus 8750 is equal to 0, or divide it by 2, we get x square plus 150x minus, this will be 4375, right? 4375 is equal to 0. Now we can break it as x square plus 175x minus 25x minus 4375 is equal to 0, because 175 into 25 is 4375. From there we can write x plus 175 into x minus 25 is equal to 0, or x cannot be negative, so we can say x is equal to 25%. So our answer is option C. Now, in this way, we have involved quadratic equation, right? We have involved quadratic equation. Can we try and solve it in another way? Like, can we use options here? Okay, so देखो कैसे यूज करेंगे ऑप्शन को, कि अगर ये 27.5% है तो इसका डबल कितना हो जाएगा 55. 27 और 55 कितना हो रहा है? सो 82 पॉइंट समथिंग. दिस इज वेरी क्लोज टू 87.5. सो ये तो नहीं होगा, है ना. अगर ये 30 और दूसरा 60 है तो इन दोनों का सक्सेसिव 87.5 तो नहीं होगा. इट विल बी ग्रेटर देन 90, एग्जैक्टली 108. तो ये भी नहीं होगा. अगर 25 और 50 है तो 25 और 50 का सक्सेसिव कितना होगा? 25 प्लस 50 प्लस 25 इंटू 50 अपॉन 100, which is equal to 75 plus 1250 divided by 100, which is 12.5. So 87.5%. So देखो ऑप्शन से बहुत ही ईजिली आ रहा है. क्वाड्रेटिक हमें लेने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ रही है ना, बहुत ही ईजिली आ रहा है. अच्छा, इसके अलावा और एक तरीका है, वो क्या है? वी कैन यूज द मल्टीप्लीकेशन फैक्टर. वो और भी ईजी है. कैसे? देखो 87.5% होता कितना है? 7/8. तो 187.5% कितना होगा? 15/8. मीन्स कोई वैल्यू है, उसको हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया किसी एक फैक्टर से, फिर दूसरे फैक्टर से, और हमें मिल रहा है 15/8. सो 15/8 को अगर मैं ब्रेक करना चाहूँ, क्या लिख सकते हैं इसे? कैन आई राइट इट एज 5/4 इंटू 3/2. 5/4 क्या डिनोट करता है? 25% इंक्रीज. 3/2 क्या डिनोट करता है? 50% इंक्रीज. सो ये इस तरह से भी इसके क्वेश्चन हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, है ना. शायद फर्स्ट टू पार्ट. ओके, सो इट्स गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन दैट कोई सैलरी है, किसी की सैलरी है ना, कहीं से स्टार्ट किया, मान लो वैल्यू ए से स्टार्ट किया, कोई वैल्यू ए से स्टार्ट किया, उसमें x% इंक्रीज किया तो हमें b मिला. b से 2x% इंक्रीज किया तो हमें c मिला. एंड c इज 187.5% ऑफ a. ओके, सो कैन वी से 187.5% of A, or we can say C is 87.5% of more than A. So that means successive of x and 2x is 87.5. How do you find successive of two changes A and B? A plus B plus AB by 100. Okay, clear है ये? देखो मैंने तीनों मेथड डिस्कस कर दिया है ना, जो भी मेथड सही लगता है यू कैन यूज दैट. But I guess the best method to solve this question would be going through the options. Going through the options, you can use the successive percentage frequently. है ना? Now, let's go to the next question, question number 53. So try this one. Mandar Apu, this multiplication method is basically, so if initial value was A, then it became 15 by 8 times. Okay, so first increase is denoted by this one, second increase is denoted by these two. This is a long shot actually, that I can break 15 by 8 into two parts, where one part denotes 5 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 4 more, 1 by 4 is 25%, 3 by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2 more, means 1 by 2 is 50%. So in this case you can break 15 by 8 into two parts, where one denotes x% increase and other denotes 2x% increase. Now this question, it says Gopi marks a price on a product in order to make 20% profit. Ravi gets 10% discount on this mark price and thus saves 15%. What does that mean? He saves 15 rupees, that means 10% discount. So 10% of mark price is equal to 15, or we can say mark price will be equal to 15 into 100 by 10. So this we get 150. Now it says that Gopi marks a price on a product in order to make 20% profit. So the markup percentage is 20%, right? So can I find the cost price? Cost price will be 150 divided by 1.2, which is equal to 125. Now it says then the profit in rupees made by Gopi by selling the product. What will be our selling price? So after giving 15 rupees discount, so if you reduce this, we get 135. Using this, we can say profit is equal to 15 rupees. Sorry, 10 rupees. Okay, profit is equal to 10 rupees. That's our answer. So it's option B. All right. Yes, 10. No pain, no gain. बहुत अच्छा. Shani, yes, this kind of question can definitely come in JIPMAT. As per the level of JIPMAT, this type of question can definitely come. Chalo, let's go to the next question. Try question number 54. Again, if you have any doubts, then let me know, all right? How did you find cost price? देखो क्या दिया हुआ है कि गोपी मार्क्स अ प्राइस ऑन ए प्रोडक्ट इन ऑर्डर टू मेक्स 20% प्रॉफिट. मतलब बिना डिस्काउंट के अगर सेल करता है तो 20% प्रॉफिट होगा. दैट मीन्स इफ कॉस्ट प्राइस इज एक्स, मार्क प्राइस इज 1.2x, राइट, है ना. इफ कॉस्ट प्राइस इज एक्स, mark price is 1.2x. We got the mark price as 150. We know that if cost price is x, mark price is 1.2x. Mark price is 150. Can I say cost price will be 150 by 1.2, which is 125? I hope that clears your doubt. Okay, Shaya? फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, फोकस करो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट पे. वो मार्कअप परसेंटेज के बारे में बता रहा है कि जो 20% प्रॉफिट होगा बिना डिस्काउंट के, मतलब मार्कअप परसेंटेज 20% है. इसका 15 चलो देखते हैं. Yes, looks like 15. A person can complete a job in 120 days. He works alone on day 1. On day 2, he is joined by another person who also can complete the job in exactly 120 days. On day 3, they are joined by another person of equal efficiency. Like this, every day, a new person with the same efficiency joins the work. How many days are required to complete the job? So one person can do a job in 120 days, or 20% can do a job, that same job in 1 day, right? If I take that efficiency of one person is 1 unit per day, total work will be 120 units. Let total work is equal to 120 units. Okay, in that case, efficiency of one person is 1 unit per day. So first day there was only one person, second day there was 2 person, third day there was 3 person. These will be the work done on those days, 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit. As many person, as many units are done in that day. Let's say total in n days the work is completed. So this should be 120, or we can say n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 120, or n square plus n is equal to 240, n square plus n minus 240 is equal to 0. Now I can write it as 16n minus 15n minus 240 is equal to 0, which can be written as n plus 16 into n minus 15 is equal to 0. So n cannot be negative, n is number of days, right? So n will be equal to 15, and that is our answer. So yes, no pain, no gain. Your answer is absolutely correct, 15. ठीक है, बताओ कोई डाउट है किसी को इसमें? Now, if no doubts, then let's go to the next question, question number 55. So, how do we solve this question? It says an elevator has a weight limit of 630 kg. It is carrying a group of people of whom the heaviest weight is 57 kg and the lightest weight is 53 kg. What is the maximum possible number of people in the group. Maximum possible number of people in the group. So it's given that highest weight is 57, lowest weight is 53. So two people we have already with weights 57 plus 53, which is equal to 110 kg. We already have two people with weight 110 kg in total. Okay. Now, what's the remaining weight? Can we say remaining weight allowed is equal to 630 minus 110, which is equal to 520. Now, as we want maximum number of people, if I divide 520 upon 53, if I want maximum number of people, we need to take minimum weights. So this is equal to 9 point something, right? So you cannot take 10% because then the weight will increase, है ना, हॉर्न बजने लग जाएगा. So you can take maximum number of persons is equal to 9 from here and 2 already, which is equal to 11, and that's your answer. So no pain, no gain. Yes, your answer is correct. Shuvir, your answer is also correct. Very nice. All of you are solving the question, getting the correct answers. That is really nice. ठीक है? Anyone with doubts, then let me know. इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस में कुछ अलग अलग टाइप के डाउट्स आते हैं. So I will try to resolve your doubts if you have any. Till then, let the others try the next question. Good explanation. Okay, thank you. No pain, no gain. Now, how do you solve these type of problems is really important. Question बहुत लेंदी दिख रहा है, but solution एकदम छोटा सा है, एकदम छोटा सा. देखो, a man leaves his home and walks at a speed of 12 km per hour, reaching the railway station 10 minutes after the train had departed. If instead he had walked at a speed of 15 km per hour, he would have reached the station 10 minutes before the train's departure. The distance from his home to the railway station is. Can I say that when speed is 12 km per hour, this person is 10 minutes late than the usual time, and if speed is 15 km per hour, this person is 10 minutes early than the usual time. Can you say what will be the difference between these two times? 10 minutes late, 10 minutes early. Batao. Okay, I'm not solving it completely. You can try this. Just tell me what is the difference in total time taken in these two journey. What will be the difference? Distance is 20 km. I guess yes, your answer is correct. Good. Mahi also got this correct. Badhiya. So can we say the difference is 20 minutes here? Difference is 20 minutes. So we can say distance is d, then d upon 12 will be total time taken, minus d upon 15 will be the total time taken when speed is 15. the difference is 20 minutes or 20 by 60 hours. So 1 by 3. Or if you take the LCM 60, this will be 5D minus 4D is equal to 1 by 3. This is 20 times, or D is equal to 20 किलोमीटर, है ना? That's it. ये है तरीका. देखो, इस क्वेश्चन को हम रेशियो से भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं? What do we know? That ratio of speeds is reciprocal of ratio of times if distance is constant. So in case of 12 kilometer per hour and 15 kilometer per hour speeds, can I say 12 is to 5 is nothing but 3 is to 4. So the ratio of time will be 4 is to 3. है ना? Ratio of time is 4 is to 3. This 1 unit difference is 20 minutes. This 1 unit difference is 20 minutes. The difference is 20. Sorry, this is 4 is to 5, right? ये 4 is to 5 है. So you can write it, ratio of speed is 4 is to 5, ratio of time will be 5 is to 4. And the 1 unit difference, in time there is a difference of 1 unit here, which is equivalent to 20 minutes, right? So what we can say, this 4 unit will be equivalent to 80 minutes or 4 by 3 hours. So our distance will be 15 into 4 by 3, which is equal to 20 kilometer. But this method I won't use in this question, because using this method I can directly find the distance. I don't need to find the time. But if question was what should be his travel time so that he reaches exactly at the time of the train, what should be his travel time, journey time, है ना? तो हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, 1 unit is equivalent to 20, then 4 unit is equivalent to 80, जो कि 10 मिनट फास्टर है. So 70 मिनट होना चाहिए. So your answer will be 70. थ्री किलोमीटर पर आवर इज 20 मिनट्स. ये क्या है? 3 किलोमीटर पर आवर इज 20 मिनट्स. समझ नहीं आया मुझे. ओके, नाउ लेट्स ट्राई क्वेश्चन नंबर 57. सुवीर नो नहीं कर सकते भाई कि डिफरेंस 3 है तो 20 मिनट, है ना? ऐसा नहीं कर सकते. द स्पीड इंटू टाइम गिव्स अस द डिस्टेंस. कहाँ से डिस्टेंस आ रहा है बताओ? 20 मिनट इज 1 by 3 आवर्स. 3 इंटू 1 by 3 इज 1. सो 1 किलोमीटर आ रहा है ना? नहीं, देखो 20 जो है मिनट में है, 3 जो है किलोमीटर पर आवर में है, तो दोनों को नहीं ले सकते. या तो यूनिट सेम रखो, किलोमीटर पर आवर में है तो डिस्टेंस भी किलोमीटर में रखो, टाइम आवर्स में रखो. अगर मीटर पर सेकंड है तो डिस्टेंस मीटर में रखो, टाइम सेकंड्स में रखो. दो अलग अलग यूनिट लेके नहीं चल सकते, है ना? Got it? Good, good. All right then. Question number 57. Anyone got the answer? All right, so looks like people are having a little bit difficulty solving this problem. चलो देखते हैं, बहुत ही इजी क्वेश्चन है, कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आना चाहिए बोट एंड स्ट्रीम्स का, कि डाउन स्ट्रीम स्पीड क्या होती है, अप स्ट्रीम स्पीड क्या होती है. डाउन स्ट्रीम स्पीड इज व्हेन बोट इज गोइंग इन द सेम डायरेक्शन ऑफ द स्ट्रीम or the river. In that case, downstream speed will be b plus r. B is speed of boat, r is speed of river. Upstream is when boat is going against the river or against the flow of the stream. In that case, speed in upstream will be b minus r, speed of boat minus speed of river. In this one, it says a man travels by a motorboat down a river to his office and back with the speed of the river unchanged. If he doubles the speed of his motorboat, then his total travel time gets reduced by 75%. मतलब पहले अगर 100 आवर्स लग रहे थे तो अब 75 आवर्स कम हो गया, मतलब 25 आवर्स ही लग रहे हैं. पहले अगर 1 आवर लग रहा था तो अब 1/4 आवर्स लग रहे हैं. The ratio of the original speed of the motor boat to the speed of the river is, so let the distance is d, what we can say that d upon 2b plus r plus d upon 2b minus r is equal to 1/4 of the time taken with usual speed, right? D upon b plus r plus d upon b minus r. That's it. Nothing to do. We need to solve this equation. That's it. So d will be cancelled out throughout. So from there, we can say, take the LCM. This will be 2b plus r into 2b minus r. This will be 2b minus r plus 2b plus r is equal to 1/4, and here I will take the LCM again, which will be b plus r into b minus r. Here we get v minus r plus b plus r. So what do we get? We can cancel out this r and r on both sides. Then we get, this will be 4b divided by 4b square minus r square is equal to 1/4 into 2b divided by b square minus r square. So this 2 cancels out this 2 times. b cancels out. So it will be 8b square minus 8r square is equal to 4b square minus r square, or 4b square is equal to 7r square. So from there we can say b square upon r square will be equal to 7/4, or b by r will not be positive, right? So it will be √7 divided by √4, or √7/2. So this is same as √7/2. So our answer is option B. $57, देखो मैं फिर से रिपीट कर दे रहा हूँ. क्या कह रहा है कि पहले केस में बोट की स्पीड b है, रिवर की स्पीड r है. इन सेकेंड केस स्पीड ऑफ द बोट इज 2b, स्पीड ऑफ द रिवर इज r. In this case, going to a place upstream and coming back, if this time is t, then this time is t/4. Means 75%. The time, travel time gets reduced by 75%. What is 75%? 75% is 3/4. So 1 minus 3/4 is equal to 1/4. If something is getting reduced by 75%, what's left? 25%. तो जो टाइम पहले लग रहा था उसका 25% टाइम ही लग रहा है. अब देखो मान लो डिस्टेंस d है, सो डिस्टेंस d डाउन स्ट्रीम स्पीड में कवर करने में कितना टाइम लगेगा, d अपॉन बी प्लस आर। अप स्ट्रीम में जाओ तो कितना टाइम लगेगा, d अपॉन बी माइनस आर। So this is the total time, initial total time. This is our t. Now when speed is doubled, when boat speed is doubled, then speed of this motor is doubled, then to cover this distance d, what will be the time taken in downstream? So d upon 2b plus r. What is the time taken in upstream? D upon 2b minus r. Now this time is 1/4 of the previous time. Then we don't need to do anything but to solve these equations and you get your answer. Okay, is that clear now? Shaya, Naman, है ना, no pain no gain. These type of questions looks difficult if you see the workings, if you see the steps, but they are not. You only need to write one equation, this equation. If you are able to write down this equation correctly, you don't need to do anything but just to solve step by step. If you don't do any mistakes here, then you get the correct answer. That's it. Okay. So whenever you are solving these steps, थोड़ा सा आराम से एकदम पेशेंस होके सॉल्व करेंगे. Every time you will get your correct answer. Now let's try question number 58. Siddharth, yes, this is definitely the right time to start preparing for IPMAT 2026. Okay, you will have all the time to check all the syllabus and learn the concepts in depth and practice enough question so that every other question feels like a repeated question. So बहुत ही सही टाइम है अभी IPMAT के लिए स्टार्ट करने का, है ना, बिकॉज और भी कमिटमेंट्स होते हैं, कई लोगों के कॉलेजेस होते हैं या कहीं और इन्वॉल्व होते हैं. सो अभी से आप थोड़ा थोड़ा टाइम भी देते हो रोज़ के, तो प्रिपरेशन आपकी अच्छी हो जाएगी नेक्स्ट 6 to 7 months. देन यू कैन स्टार्ट राइटिंग मॉक्स. Eight is to 7. Yes, 8 is to 7 is correct answer. No pain, no gain. Very nice. This question says a stall sells popcorn and chips packets of 3 sizes: large, super, and jumbo. Large, super, jumbo. Popcorn and chips. मन कर गया खाने का, नहीं, पॉपकॉर्न और चिप्स सुन के. अब ये हो गया, द नंबर्स ऑफ लार्ज, सुपर एंड जंबो पैकेट्स इन इट्स स्टॉक आर इन द रेशियो ऑफ 7:17:16 फॉर पॉपकॉर्न, 7:17:16 for popcorn, and 6:15:14 for chips. If the total number of popcorn packets in its stock is same as that of chips packets, so total number of popcorn packets, if I take as it is the ratio, this is 33 plus 7, 20, right? 33 plus 7 is 40, and this one is 29 plus 6, which is 35. So these two are equal. So we will try to make these two equal. How can we make these two equal? We will try to take the LCM, right? We will try to take the LCM, which is 280. A number which is common multiple to both of them is 280. This also 280. So for 280, I need to multiply this by 7. I need to multiply this by 8. So all the values, this value will become 7 into 7, 17 into 7, 16 into 7. This value will become 6 into 8, 15 into 8, and 14 into 8. So what's the ratio? We need to find then the number of jumbo popcorn packets and jumbo chips packets. So ratio jumbo popcorn upon jumbo chips will be equal to 16 into 7, 14 into 8. So 8 into 2 and wait a second, 7 into 2. So this I am getting 2:2. Wait a second, yeah 1:1. ये तो 1:1 आ रहा है ना, 1:1 आएगा ना कि 8:7. नो पेन नो गेन. आंसर इज 1:1. ऑप्शन ए है ना, समझ गए. देखो दूसरा तरीका क्या है, अगर इसे मैं टोटल 40x मान लूँ और इसे 35x मान लूँ तो ये 16x हो जाएगा और ये 14y हो जाएगा, है ना. सो इन दैट केस व्हाट वी कैन से, it's given that 40x is equal to, this will be 35y. 40x is equal to 35y or x by y is equal to 7 upon 5, 7 upon 8. What do we want? We want 16x divided by 14y. So 16 by 14, what is x by y? This is 7 by 8. Both of these are same value, right? So this is 1:1. क्या समझे? क्लियर है? दोनों तरीके यूज कर सकते हैं, ये भी. बताओ कोई डाउट है किसी को इसमें? दोनों में से किसी भी मेथड में डाउट है क्या? No doubts? Okay. Let's go to the next question, question number 59. This is a very interesting question based on averages, simple averages, है ना. All right, chalo, let's solve this. A class consists of 20 boys and 30 girls. In the mid-semester examination, the average score of the girls was 5 higher than that of the boys. In the final exam, however, the average score of the girls dropped by 3, while the average score of the entire class increased by 2. The increase in the average score of the boys is, so what we can say, boys and girls. Okay, so how many boys are there? There are 20 boys. What's the average? Initial average. Okay, and final average. So it's given that boys are 20, girls are 30. We know that instead of actual value, we can use the ratio as well. So ratio of their frequency is 2:3. Now the initial average, boys are A, girls A plus 5. Now, in final average, the average score of the girls dropped by 3 means it's A plus 2. And the total average increased by 2. So, what was the average here? If I try to find the total, so in that case, the total will be, देखो, 2A plus 3A plus 15. 2A plus 3A plus 15 divided by 2 plus 5, which is 5A plus 15, that will be A plus 3. So this is A plus 3. And the total average increased by 2. So this became A plus 5. This increased by 2. This dropped by 3. So what's the increase in the average score of the boys? So average score of the boys, again अगर ये x मान लें, क्या हो जाएगा कि 2x plus 3 times a plus 2 divided by 2 plus 5 is equal to a plus 5, which is new average. So in that case, it will be 2x plus 3a plus 6 is equal to, 2 plus 3. So 5a plus 25, or we can say 2x is equal to, so 2x is equal to 2a plus 19, or x is equal to a plus 9.5. So this is equal to a plus 9.5. So there is an increase of 9.5. So our answer is option A, है ना? यस, डिनोमिनेटर में 2 plus 3 होगा, उसको मैंने करेक्ट कर दिया है. देखो ये था एक ये जो सॉल्यूशन था, this solution is somehow I feel that this is आम जिंदगी, है ना? दिस इज आम जिंदगी. चलो एक मेंटस जिंदगी सॉल्यूशन बताता हूं मैं आप लोगों को कि जो बॉयज हैं, जो गर्ल्स हैं और जो टोटल है, ठीक है, बॉयज का रेशियो 2:3 है, गर्ल्स का एवरेज 5 ज्यादा है बॉयज से, सो ए है, ये a plus 5 है. इनके बीच का डिफरेंस कितना है? 5 है. इन दोनों के फ्रीक्वेंसी का सम कितना है? 5 है. तो 5/5 इज 1. तो यहां से जो भी एवरेज मेरा होगा, यहां से गैप 3 होगा, यहां से गैप 2 होगा. तो 5 को 5 पार्ट में, जो डिफरेंस है 5, इसको 5 पार्ट में डिवाइड करो, कितना आ रहा है? 1. तो a plus 3, दिस एवरेज विल बिकम a plus 3 स्ट्रेट अवे. कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. अब अगर आते हैं कि ये जो टोटल है, ये a plus 5 बन गया, ये a plus 2 बन गया. तो इनके बीच जो गैप है वो कितने का है? 3 का गैप है. एंड 3 का जो गैप है उसका जो वेट है कितना है? 3 का जो गैप है, द वेट इज, बॉयज का वेट कितना है? 2. तो 3/2 इज इक्वल टू 1.5. 3/2 इज इक्वल टू 1.5. सो 1.5 इंटू 3 विल बी 4.5. सो यहाँ पे 4.5 ऐड कर दें अगर, तो मिलेगा a plus 9.5. सो द चेंज यू कैन सी इज 9.5. ओरली सॉल्व हो जाएगा ये, है ना? a एवरेज है, a plus 5 है, 2:3 का रेशियो है. तो जो डिफरेंस है उसको 3:2 में डिवाइड कर दो. 2:3 का रेशियो है तो डिफरेंस को 3:2 में डिवाइड कर दो. a plus 5, डिफरेंस इज 5, उसको 3:2 में डिवाइड करो तो 3 और 2 आ जाएगा, तो a plus 3 टोटल एवरेज आ गया. अब यहाँ पे a plus 5 है, a plus 2 है, डिफरेंस इधर 3 है. क्या बताया था? 2:3 का रेशियो है तो डिफरेंस 3:2 रेशियो में होगा. तो जो 2 है वो 3 का डिफरेंस ला रहा है, तो जो 3 है वो 4.5 का डिफरेंस लाएगा. सो a plus 5 plus 4.5 इज a plus 9.5. सो दैट्स हाउ वी गॉट आवर आंसर इन दिस वे. कुछ भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है ना? समझ में आ रहा है क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? जैसे देखो, मान लो कि जो बॉयज हैं, जो गर्ल्स हैं, इनका रेशियो 1:7 है, ठीक है. कितना है 1:7 है। इनका एवरेज ए है, इनका एवरेज ए प्लस 16 है, तो टोटल एवरेज कितना होगा? तो देखो टोटल एवरेज कितना होगा, टोटल बॉयज प्लस गर्ल्स का वेटेड एवरेज कितना होगा इन टर्म्स ऑफ ए? डिफरेंस कितना है 16 है। 16 को 8 पार्ट में डिवाइड करो, 16/2 8 इज 2, 2 आ रहा है ना। तो ये 1:7 है, तो 7:1 के रेशियो में डालो, तो 14 इधर 2 इधर, तो a प्लस 14 आ जाएगा। देखो कितना आसान है, इसी को यहां पे यूज करो, लाइफ आसान हो जाएगी, है ना। चलो लेट्स ट्राई द लास्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर टुडे। इन अ 10 kilometer रेस, A, B, and C each running at uniform speed gets the gold, silver, and bronze medals respectively. So A got the gold, B got the silver, and C got the bronze medal. If A beats B by 1 kilometer, B beats C by 1 kilometer, then by how many meters does A beat C? Does A beat C? So what we can say here, that speed of A upon speed of B is equal to, when A covers 10 kilometer, B is able to cover only 9 kilometer. And what is the ratio of speed of B upon speed of C? When B covers 10 kilometer, C is able to cover only 9 kilometer. Now check this, can I say SA upon SC is nothing but SA upon SB into SB upon SC. BB SB SB कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा ना, लेकिन हमें ये वैल्यू मालूम है और ये वैल्यू भी मालूम है, इसीलिए यूज कर रहा हूँ। क्या हो जाएगा, स्पीड ऑफ A अपॉन स्पीड ऑफ C विल बी इक्वल टू 10/9 upon 10/9, which is equal to 100 upon 81. Now 100 upon 81, can I say, if I make this is 100 upon 81 means अगर A 100 किलोमीटर कवर करता है, so C 8.1 किलोमीटर कवर 81 किलोमीटर कवर कर रहा है ना, we can say A covers 100 kilometer, then C covers 81 kilometer. So if A covers 10 kilometer, then C covers 8.1 kilometer. Then the difference, what's the difference with which A will beat C is 10 minus 8.1, which is equal to 1.9 kilometers, or we can also say that 900 meters. है ना? So either your answer is 1.9 kilometer or 900 meters, 1900 meters. But this was a short answer question where you need to fill the answer. So your answer cannot be in decimal. So your answer will be 900 meters. Does it say in meters? Yes. How many meters? So उसकी भी जरूरत नहीं है ना. So Mahi got this correct. No pain, no gain got this correct. Very nice guys. बहुत अच्छे है ना. So with that we are done with our session today, and we were able to discuss 10 more questions of arithmetic. Now next week I'll be back with some more amazing questions from all over the arithmetic. 20 questions, 10 questions on Wednesday, 10 questions on Thursday. Same time, 5 p.m. sharp. Okay. So I will see you there. So thank you for joining us today. Bye bye. Good night.